नमस्कार दोस्तों। बायोलॉजी सॉल्यूशन में आपका स्वागत है। और अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो आप इसको सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसको लाइक करें, जिससे आपको नए अपडेट मिलते रहें। इन लास्ट क्लास वी हैव लर्न अबाउट द some term in inheritance. We also understand different kind of cross. So let's recall how to make a phenotype and genotype in different kind of cross. So I am explaining with taking of suitable examples how to use binomial equation in cross. So you have to see in screen. This is binomial equation. Generally binomial equation that a plus b whole square equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is written here, and we can apply this binomial equation in Hardy-Weinberg rule in ecology and genetics also same. So what we can do, we can use the hybrid, it means F1 generation genotype to recall the genotype and phenotype of F2 generation. For example, when we make the monohybrid cross for length, the F1 generation has capital T small t. When we make the square capital T plus small t, the result is capital T plus 2 capital T plus small t. So the ratio can come like 1 is to 2 is to 1. That is genotype. Same thing also apply in dihybrid cross. You have to see, we will learn dihybrid cross, but first of all we need to understand about this. For example, we have chosen to trait shape of seed and color of seed. So shape, there is two contrasting trait of shape and two contrasting trait of color. Shape are round and wrinkle. Round is represented by capital R and wrinkle is represented by small r. Same color are also two types, yellow by capital Y and green by small y. And when we make the cross between F1 generation, there is technique to identify. We need to make separate square for particular trait. For example, shape of seed and color of seed. So R plus R is का whole square into capital Y plus small y का whole square. And when we open by using of same monohybrid cross, capital R plus 2 capital R plus small r multiply by capital Y plus 2 capital Y plus small y, and we make multiply, we have found genotype 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 4 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1, and concluded phenotype is 9 is to 3 is to 1. So same thing we can see in next page is in monohybrid and dihybrid cross. You have to see same things here. This is monohybrid cross on your screen. This is P1 generation, parental generation. It have pure tall capital T and pure draft small t. And during gametogenesis process, number of gene or chromosome become half. So out of pair, one gene derived. So one gamete have capital T and another gamete have small t. When we make cross between both, we have found a hybrid that is taller, capital T small t. And when we make self fertilization or self pollination, we can concluded by checkerboard. Gametes are formed capital T small t. Male gametes are represented by just arrow with O, and female gametes are represented by plus and O. So we make the cross and we found genotype and phenotype. Three are taller and one is smaller. So outer looking this character phenotype is 3 is to 1, and one pure tall, two hybrid tall, and one small draft. So genotype is 1 is to 1. And same thing we have seen binomial equation. You can make the comparison. This is 1 is to 2 is to 1. This is same. So we can conclude easily in NEET examination. We can find a quick answer, and such kind of answer can come CBSE also. Again, we need to continue. There is a small but very good formula how to make calculation of gametes for F2 generation. So the formula is 2 to the power n. The value of n is a hybrid or pair of gametes. So one pair of gametes value of n 1, two pair of gametes value of n is 2. So monohybrid cross the value of n is 1. In dihybrid cross value of n is 2. Trihybrid cross value is n of 3. So when we make monohybrid cross 2 की power 1 equal to, so two type gametes are formed. These are capital T, small t. Same thing when we make bihybrid or dihybrid cross, n की value 2 and 2 की power 2 equal 4. So in dihybrid cross we will see 4 gametes are formed, and we can easily count the offspring of F2 generation by using such formula 2 की power n का whole square, complete whole square. So what we have to do see 2 की power n equal to and whole square, that means 2 की power 2 and value is 4. So 4 offspring are formed. You have to see here in dihybrid cross 2 की power 2 and the value of n is 2, so 2 की power 2 and that is 4 and whole square of 4 is 16. So 16 offspring are formed in F2 generation. We have to see next dihybrid cross. You have to see here dihybrid cross before starting next thing. See here, this is good example of dihybrid cross I have drawn for you. I have chosen here a round and yellow, pure round and yellow seed plant, pea plant, and another is wrinkled and green pea plant, pure. So this is P1 generation, and during gametogenesis process, number of genes become half, and gametes are capital Y and small y. And when we make the cross, we have found F1 generation, that is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, and phenotype is round and yellow. And when we make self-fertilization or self-pollination, we have found F2 generation. So such kind of table is called checkerboard or pollinate square to identify F2 generation. And after making the cross, there is 4 type of gametes are formed. We have learned about this before by using power 2 की power n formula. So n equal to, so 2 की power 2 equal 4 and 2 की power n whole square, that is means 2 की power 2 whole square, that is 16 offsprings can be seen. Genotype is 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 4 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1. That is we learn about it in previous one binomial equation, and phenotype is 9 is to 3 is to 1. So these are monohybrid and dihybrid cross which are done by the Mendel. Now what is the conclusion of this process, or what is the result declared by Mendel? So we need to see again cross of monohybrid. You have to see monohybrid cross in this. So this is monohybrid cross. We have seen out of two contrasting traits, taller and dwarf, only one trait is expressed in F1 generation, either taller or dwarf. So when we make the cross between two contrasting traits, one trait is expressed in F1 generation and remaining is height. So the trait which is expressed is called dominant trait, and remaining is called recessive trait, and this is called law of dominance. So in another words, we can say law of dominance is based on monohybrid cross, and which can explain how is dominant trait expressed in F1 generation. When we make the F2 generation by making self-fertilization, we have found again a draft plant can be derived. This conclude during gametes formation, each gene are segregate. So this is called law of segregation, and each gametes are pure for particular trait. For example, either capital T or small t. So it is also known as purity of gametes. So in this way, we can say there is two law of Mendel on the basis of monohybrid cross. First is law of dominance, second is law of segregation, which is also called law of purity of gametes. Next one, that is dihybrid cross. On the basis of dihybrid cross only, one rule is derived. You have to compare phenotype of F2 generation, that is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. So 9 plants are similar to dominant, that is round and yellow. You have to see in this table also. And one plant is similar to recessive plant, that is wrinkled and green. But in combination 3 is to 3, these are different. These are round and green, and these are wrinkled and yellow. It means it is clear there is no linkage, there is no fixed combination between round and yellow, and between wrinkled and green. Each trait are freely transited generation to generation, and trait can make randomly combination. And this law is called independent assortment. So independent assortment means freely transisted. This law is true, but after discovery of linkage, there are little variation can be seen, and up to Mendel, the linkage was not discovered. So in such a way, these three laws are derived by Mendel, and Mendel was not lucky regarding this, because uh, his work was not recognized due to Lamarck and Darwin, because that time they were popular scientists, but after death of his, there is three scientists discover again this work, and honor of this work is given to Mendel as father of genetics. Thank you.